Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Today we're gonna play Natural Disaster, and this game is kinda OG. I know, no, it's very OG and I like this game very much. So that's why I came back to play this again because it's very nice and I love to play this again. Right, bro? Yo, what's up, man? Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up, bro? Yo, what's up? Yo! Nah, hell no, bro. Alright. Since you miss me playing Roblox again because I keep playing George Mitridas, yeah, like that. I said that a long time ago. Yeah, I know that, but I came back playing Roblox again with voice on. Yeah, man. Yeah, that's it, yeah. So, in this video, I'm gonna survive. I am gonna play Natural Disaster for a while, and after that, and 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 Elpax Gaming will also post soon videos like examples, very funny Minecraft Skyblock, and I haven't made that in 2026 because the Minecraft is very laggy. So yeah, so I will make that soon. So in this viewer, I have a friend named Jarek. Yeah, Jarek. Hell yeah, Jarek. Jarek. If you're watching this, yo, what's up? Yeah, okay. So, if you miss me playing Minecraft Skyblock, don't worry, I'll be back. I never quit. Even 3 years or more than 3 years, I will never quit. So yeah, that's it, guys. So I'm gonna survive na. Okay. Police station. Alright, bet. Yo, what's up? Can I kiss you? Oh, no. Yo, who's this guy? Hey, yo, monkey. Alright. Celes. No. What am I saying? Okay, real Ben. Alright, bet. Yo, come here. Yo, come here. Alright. I'm being sassy. Alright. So let's go to the top. If it's safe, but if it say like tsunami, I will go to the top. But oh no. It's kinda oh no. My health bar. Hell no. This is going to be tsunami. Yeah, I remember playing this in 2018 like that. Oh no. Indoors. Go back in the indoors. Go back. Bro, where are you going? No. No, in the indoors. Bro, in the indoors. Bro. Okay. So my phone is kind of laggy, bro. No, not gonna lie, my phone is kind of laggy, so that's why I did this. Yeah, who's real Ben? Damn, bro, in real Ben. Bro, that's a real monkey. Alright, Julius. Come here, Julius. Let me kiss you. Alright. I'm eating sus again. So let's look outside for a while and see. Alright, damn. Oh my god. Yo, help me, baby. Alright. I'm being sus, bro. Alright, so how am I gonna survive this? What is acid rain? Oh, so is acid rain even a thing? Is acid rain a real disaster? I haven't heard that, and I haven't countered that. So I don't think it's real, and I don't think it's unreal disaster. So yeah, let me just sit here. If this rope breaks, I'm gonna move there. Alright, so this oh no. No. Alright. Oh no. No, I'm trapped. So what should I do? Oh yeah, I'm survived. I survived, blah. Hell yeah, I'm survived. No, I'm just bro, my health is too low. I need to be like big health. Yo. Yo, what's up, man? Yo, what's up? Yo. Yo. Bro, disappear from the void. Put indestructible. So it's not destructible. No, I don't know. Yo, this is the, oh my god, I forgot this. Or I don't know. I don't remember this map. because I haven't played this a long time ago. So can I sit? No, bro, let me sit. No, what is wrong with you? Yo, sit me. Oh, good boy. Yo. Alright, go now. Go. How will I move? Yo, like this? Yo, how will I? Oh my god. Oh no. If it's tsunami, I'm going to top. Oh my god. Damn, it's so laggy. No. It's very laggy. Oh, thunderstorm. Avoid hide and oh no, go. Oh my god. This area is very ugly. No, I can't. Okay. Oh my god. Thunderstorm. Oh no. Oh my god, bro. Bro.
Yeah. Ikuan.
Alright.
Ikuan ka ni Papa. Sugo ka. Ibigay doon speaker. Hey guys.
Ayo, bro. Alright guys, I'm back. So yeah. Oh my god. Damn, this is a traffic. Alright. I'm gonna go there. Oh my god. My health is too low. Yeah. Oh my god. Yo, chill. Yo, hold on, bro. Hold on. No, bro. No, don't do that. Oh no. No!
Hindi doon.
Oh my god. Dang, bro. How will I? Oh no, I can't. Yo. No. Oh my god. Yo, my god. Yo, I'm run. Oh my god. I'm run. Oh my god. Yo, what's up, balcon? Yo, balcon. Oh my god, my health is too low. Oh, what the? Yo, my health is too low. No, not. Why? Nah, bro. This is too. Oh my god. Yo, my name is Bum. Yo, what's up, Bum? Let me kiss you. Oh, bro. Yo, high school. What the hell is that name? Alright. What the hell? Alright. Yo. Now. Let's go inside. Let's go to the school again. And I am kinder 1, kinder 2, kinder 3, kinder. Okay. So we're gonna learn. So guys, we're gonna learn about 6, 7. Oh, 6, 7. Yo. Yo, what happened? Yo. Yo, oh no. Alright. So guys, in today's video, guys, we're gonna learn 6, 7. What is 6 plus 7 equals 6, 7? No, it's no. Wait, hold on. How do I sit? No, teacher, it's a 13. Bro, it's not okay. I'm being weird. Okay, let's go. Damn, bro, damn. Oh my god, this I can see. Okay. And my health is too low. Alright. So the disaster today is sandstorm, and you're gonna get die if you get hit. And I'm gonna get die because I am very low. Avoid flying object. Oh my god. Bro, I'm gonna get out of this. Damn, bro. No. Help me, Billy Money. Bro, what is that name? Yo, what's your name? My name is Yo. Yo. Damn, the school is kinda ruined. Yo, what's up? Yo. Yo. I'm gonna pull you. Wait, yo, no.
Or my arm.
Damn, bro. I died. Nah, there's no way I died, bro. Nah, that's kinda sad, bro. That's kinda sad. Ain't no way. And Jarek, if you have fun watching this, make sure to comment and like my video. So, Pak, Batch, Bio, Tik, Mak, Dono. What is that? What is that kind of name? Oh my god, what is this kid's name? You want this name? Bro, what is this name? Azura. Yes, kinda nice. Big toe. Bro, what the hell? Vladimir. What about this? Uria. Oya. I don't know, man. I don't know. Bro, pulled. Yo. Ain't no way, bro, pulled. Alright. Let's go to the top. Let's go to the... Alright. Let's go. Let's go to the top. Yo, what's this big monkey? Hey, yo, big monkey spotted. Nah, big monkey. Yo, big monkey. Yo, big monkey. Yo, what's this big monkey? Yo, big monkey. Come here, big monkey. No. Teet. Alright. Yo, big monkey. Yo, I'm on tornado. No! Why did I go out? No! I'm so cooked. No! Oh no! Get up, bro! Oh my god, yo. Damn, that's kinda sad. No, hell no, bro's coming to me. No. I think everyone died. Oh my god. Yo, chill. No. No, I'm hide this. I'm hide this. Yo. Yo, coming to me. Oh no. Yo, bro's flying. That's cheating, bro. Yo, that's cheating, bro. Bro thinks he stopped. Bro died. Bro died. Deb died. Oh my god, that's kinda sad. Bro, tornado is following me. Not every. Oh no. No, balcony. Run now, bro. Balcony. No. Bro is following me. No. No. Run. Yo. Hit that man over there. Yo. Bro died. Yo. Nah, bro. I did it, bro.